Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to import georeferenced image in AutoCAD Civil 3D. In our previous video I showed us how to download a georeferenced image from the SAS planet and importing in ACMA environment, as you can see. So if this is your first time joining me on this channel, please do well to check under the comment section or the video description to see how we came about that. So I'm going to be making use of the georeferenced image I downloaded in the previous video in the course of this video. So let's get started. The first thing on your AutoCAD 3D work environment is to come to the command line, then you search for mapping insert. You click on that, so it's going to bring out some of the windows like this. Okay, so in case yours is not displaying this way, there's no cause for alarm. First thing to do is to navigate to the folder where you have your geo image or the georeferenced.tif image saved. Alright, so I'm just going to go to my desktop, go to my YouTube folder where I have the image, and here it is. You click on the georeferenced TIF image, it is going to appear under your file name. Then the files of type, you click on the drop arrow, then you scroll down. You are going to see different formats you can import. Alright, but the format of interest is the .tif, and here it is here, quick bed cat image file format .tif. You click on that. Alright, so this is the setup you have to do here. Then you click on open. So it's going to bring out these informations automatically. It's going to read the coordinate of your insertion point for you. If yours is on any format that you are not interested in, you can convert the format and paste the coordinates back here. Okay, so this is the default format my georeferenced image is on, and it is okay by me. Then the next thing, if yours is on feet or any other unit dimension, you can come here to change that to your unit dimension of interest. Then when you are okay with all the setup, you click on apply and you click on OK. So if you can't see this image on your work environment, just click on the zoom extent icon and you are going to see it displayed on your work environment, and it is on the right coordinate. So like I did in the last video on ArcGIS, I showed us a quick accuracy check using some set of coordinates. I'm going to do the same thing in this video because I love checking for accuracy of some of these things. So these are the set of coordinates I used the last time in Excel: distance, nothing, and in this time around elevations. Okay, so I'm just going to close that and import it in AutoCAD Civil 3D by coming to my point here, create point, come to this place, compare. If you don't know how to import coordinates in AutoCAD Civil 3D, please check under the video description to see how to do that. Okay, so I have successfully imported the set of coordinates, and I'm just going to zoom, and here it is. Alright, so these are the set of coordinates and they are actually on the right position. Okay, you can just highlight to see the exact place they are, and there they are. Okay, so you can use the ID command to still check the coordinate identity of each of the points, and as you can see, it is rightly and accurately placed. Alright, so that is how to import georeferenced image in AutoCAD Civil 3D. This is the first method. In the second method, I'm going to show you how to insert UAV georeferenced image, that is orthophoto. So the process there is quite different. This is just for a simpler process of importing georeferenced download satellite images. But if you want to import your UAV georeferenced or orthophoto image in Civil 3D, the process is quite different. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative and educative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon as well as share to as many as possible. Therefore, through this image you can digitize and do some other drawings on it directly without any stress. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.